Hello students, as we have already seen the concept of indifference curve, now it is time to learn something about budget line. So, budget line, it is a straight line, it slopes downwards and it shows the budget level of a person. Now, there is a limited budget with the consumer and in that limited budget, he needs to purchase different units of commodities. Okay, so the budget line shows that all possible combinations of commodities which a consumer can buy with a given limited income. This representation is shown by budget line. Let us see the equation of budget line and then we will understand this with a table and diagram. Then this will be more clear. The equation for budget line is price of X. Here we are taking two commodities, okay? X commodity and Y. So price of X commodity into quantity of X commodity plus price of Y commodity into quantity of Y commodity is equal to M. M represents the income of the consumer. So for example, if a consumer is having only 100 rupees, so in that 100 rupees, how much quantity of X he will purchase at the given price and how much quantity of Y he will purchase at the given price will be shown by the budget line. Here we have taken an example that a person is having 50 rupees only and he wants to purchase a pen. Now there are pen can be also of gel pen and dot pen. Okay, so as per the example, gel pen is of 10 rupees and dot pen is of 5 rupees. So with his given income of 50 rupees, how many gel pens he can purchase and at the same time how many dot pens he can purchase, that all is represented in the table. For example, if we take the combination A, then gel pen is 0. So it is, and dot pen here he is purchasing 5 at the 10 at the rupees 5. So 10 5s are 50. All 50 rupee is invested in dot pens only. So he will not be able to purchase gel pen here. In the same way, the table is progressing and we can see the different combinations. The tabular presentation of this budget is known as budget schedule. Here you can see a graphical representation of the budget line. The dot pens are represented in y-axis and the gel pens are represented in x-axis. And the different combinations A, B, C, D, E, F as per the income is represented here. We can see that all the combinations are in the line of budget. It is not below, it is not above that, okay? It is within his budget. So this is the budget line. Now what is budget set is all the combinations of goods lying within the limit of the consumer, budget limit of the consumer. Like in previous one we have seen A, B, C, D, E, all were lying in the same line. So those all combinations together will be known as budget set. Now we will see the topic of shift in budget line. So uh, there are two chances where budget line can shift. First is when there is change in the income of consumer. Second, when there is change in the relative prices of the commodity. And here we will take the example of apples and bananas and we will change their prices and we will see how the curve or the line changes. So let us look at the first condition, that is change in the income of consumer. So when the income of the consumer changes, either his income will increase or his income will decrease. So in the first case we see that when there is a rightward shift, or what we can say when the consumer's income will increase, then the budget line will shift rightwards. Okay, we can see that it has shifted from AB to A1 B1, rightward shift. And when the income of the consumer will decrease, then the budget line will shift leftwards. That we can see here from AB it has shifted to A2 and B2. Now we will see the second effect, that is change in the relative prices. So in first condition we are taking that the prices of bananas are same and there is change in the price of apples only. Okay, that is x-axis. So in this condition we can see here that the point B, banana, it is the same, and only the point of apples is changing. That if the prices of apple will decrease, then it will shift towards right, because decrease in price will result in more demand, more purchase. So it will shift towards A1. And when prices will increase of apple, then it will shift towards A2, that is leftward shift. So this is the shift of budget line when there is change in the price of commodity which is on x-axis. Second condition is change in the price of commodity on y-axis. Okay, so in y-axis we have taken bananas here. So apple, it will remain at point A only because there is no change in that price. And in y-axis we have taken bananas. So if the prices of banana will decrease, then its demand will increase. Okay, it will move towards B1, its demand will increase. And when the bananas price will increase, then the demand will decrease, it will come to B2. So this is how the change in the budget line takes place due to change in the price of the commodities. And students, with this we have seen the important topics related to budget line, the concept budget set, the tabular presentation, and how the budget line shifts in various conditions. Now, in the next video, we will study about the consumer's equilibrium related to budget line and indifference curve. Thank you.